Hello student, how are you? Fine? Good. My name is Yogeshwari Patre. I am teaching 4th standard history. In first lesson, we saw Maharashtra before Shivaji. What was the condition was Maharashtra before Shivaji's birth. After that, we took information about Sant in lesson number 2. Sant Gyaneshwar, Sant Eknath, Sant Ramdas, Sant Tukaram. And now we move towards the lesson number 3. Our lesson number 3 is Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhosles. Our lesson number 3 is Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhosles. Period of unrest. In that time, period was very unrest cause of two sultans. One of Adil Shah of Bijapur and another Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. They were both continuously at war with each other. They made always use the armies of Marathas, Sardar in their wars. Maratha Sardars. Maratha Sardar were brave, royal, tough and fearless also. They were very proud of their achievements on the battlefield. All the Maratha Sardar had their own private armies. That's why some Maratha Sardars with Adil Shah and some Maratha Sardars with Nizam Shah. And the Sultan gave them employment with Sardar of kingdom them. Now we turn towards the next point, famous house of Maratha Sardars. Jadhav of Sindhkhed, Nimbalkar of Fulton, Ghorpade of Mudhol, Mores of Javli, Bhosles of Verul and Yadav of Devgiri. Now Jadhav, Nimbalkar, Ghorpade, More, Bhosle, Yadav are all surnames, and Sindhkhed, Fulton, Mudhol, Javli, Verul, Devgiri, they are place. Now next point is Grushneshwar temple. Grushneshwar temple. 400 years ago, that temple, where is that temple? The temple of Grushneshwar near Verul caves was falling of pieces. The wall cracked. Many Maratha Sardar came there, but nobody ready to repair it. So Maratha Sardar neglected that temple, and after that Maloji Raje came there. Maloji Raje Bhosle was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. He would put flower and bells on the Shivlingam and lights also. He repaired wall in original conditions. There were lights inside and outside also. Thus the Grushneshwar temple restored by Maloji Raje Bhosle. Next point, Bhosle of Verul. Actually Bhosles of Verul known as Patil also. Patil of Verul. Now Babaji Raje Bhosle. You can see the picture of Babaji Rao Bhosle. Babaji Rao Bhosle had two sons. One was Maloji Raje and another was Vithoji Raje. You can see the both picture, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. See here. And Maloji Raje was the elder and Vithoji Raje was younger. Both are very clever and brave also. And when the Mughal Empire attacked on the Nizam Shahi from Delhi, that time Daulatabad was the capital of Nizam Shahi. Yes, Daulatabad near Aurangabad. Now Malik Ambar was a wazir that time. Malik Ambar was a wazir of Nizam Shahi and help of the uh, Bhosle's brother, both Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje, both help of the both brother on they fight with Mughals, and on his bravery, his recommendations, Maloji Raje got Jahangir, Pune and Supe. Next point is Maloji Raje family. Thus, the Bhosle become rich and powerful. Maloji's wife, Umabai. Umabai from Nimbalkar house. They had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. Shahaji Raje and Sharifji Raje. But accidentally Maloji Raje killed in the battle at Indapur. And after that, Shahaji Raje, that time only 5 years old, and after that Maloji Raje's Jahangir and both children looked after by Vithoji Raje. Vithoji Raje take care of them. Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. See here picture of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Lakhuji Rao Jadhav was also very brave Sardar. He kept with him very large army. He had too much respect in the court of Nizam Shah. He have one daughter and her name was Jizabai. And Lakhoji Rao Jadhav accepted Vithoji Raje's proposal of wedding Shahaji Raje and his own daughter Jizabai. Lakhoji Rao Jadhav was very valiant Sardar in Nizam Shah court. He celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jizabai with a great pomp. Then Jizabai became a Bhosle's house. After that, we move towards the next point, Shahaji Raje. Yes, Shahaji Raje, and you can see here Jizabai also and Shahaji Raje. Both were husband and wife. Shahaji Raje and Jizabai. Shahaji Raje was a brave, capable Sardar with the respect of Nizam Shah court. When the Mughal Empire attacked of the Nizam Shahi with the help of Adil Shah, that time Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje both fight bravely to save Nizam Shahi at Bantewadi near Ahmednagar, but bad news was in that battle Sharifji killed. Shahaji Raje, now known as a brave general. That's why Malik Ambar jealous on him. Finally, cause of Malik Ambar, Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined Adil Shah. Adil Shah honored him with the post of Sar Lashkar. And another side, Malik Ambar died in Nizam Shahi. Malik Ambar died there, and after Malik Ambar, his son became a wazir, Fateh Khan. Fateh Khan became wazir, but Nizam Shahi began to dislike. Ultimately, Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji Raje to come back and join Nizam Shahi, and after that Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and again joined Nizam Shahi. Thus Shahaji Raje first left Nizam Shahi and afterwards appeal of mother of Nizam Shah again joined the Nizam Shahi and left Adil Shahi. Now student, here is one Bhosle family tree diagram. Look carefully. See here, Bhosle family. The Babaji Raje Bhosle. Babaji Raje Bhosle had two sons, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. Maloji Raje's wife, Umabai, from Nimbalkar house, and Maloji Raje's Umabai's had also two sons, Shahaji Raje and Sharifji Raje. Shahaji Raje married with Jizabai, and Shahaji Raje Jizabai's son Sambhaji Raje, Shivaji Raje and Venkoji Raje. And Shivaji Raje had again two sons, Sambhaji Raje and Rajaram Raje. Now see here picture of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his son Sambhaji Raje. Thank you, student.